Hello, everyone. So I just wanted to talk about the stock market really quick. I've been getting into investing a little bit, and I thought I would do a little reading on that. It's really short. Basically, first, before I say this, I want to say I could be wrong, and I don't expect all my predictions to be exactly, precisely the way that I say. So take this with a grain of salt. Um, this is for speculation and entertainment purposes. So use this as, a piece of information that may help you, but don't take this as like, don't bet your life savings on this, is basically what I'm trying to say. Because I wouldn't. However, I am keeping my eye on the stock market because I'm just recently getting into investing, and the time to invest is when the stock market is at its lowest. And so if you're thinking you want to take advantage of that, you should probably create a brokerage account before and put some money into it before the crash happens in the stock market, so that you can do it at the right time, and you have to transfer the money, which takes a while. Actually, you know what? There's a link I can put below this for a brokerage account that you can create where you will get a free stock for signing up to. So I'll put that below this video. So basically what came to me in meditation was the stock market will continue with somewhat of an upward trend. Of course, it's kind of going back and forth a little bit, kind of going up and going down, and kind of confusing people. And people are like, oh, is it crashing? Everybody seems to be a little confused what's going on. I was saying for the most part, it's going to continue this upward trend for a little bit, going back and forth. And I was saying that most likely will be a crash sometime around December or so. Not necessarily exactly December, but sometime around December. And then again in June 2021, so next year around June. I'm not saying it's going to be exactly specifically like that, but that, like, something like that is basically what I was getting. So the other thing I wanted to talk about was I made these coronavirus predictions, and I just wanted to play a little bit of that. If I can figure out, I'm just going to have to turn this around. So here's this video. As you can see, August 12th is when I made this video. I'll show that right here. August 12th was right there. So right there. And that's when I made this prediction video about it starting to go down, and then kind of going down, and then kind of flattening before it goes down again. So right here, the 12th is when I said that, before it started going down. I'll play the video about that. This is it right here, August 12th. Coronavirus going down, and I mean that as in like the near future. I don't see it going too much higher. In other words, sometime soon I see it going down. I also see it staying there for a little bit and kind of like starting to go down, and then it kind of like almost curves and like almost flatlines again, and then it goes back down again. But after it does that, it starts to like almost come to a flat line again. You see it just going like pretty much almost, I mean, not straight down, pretty steep down. Almost completely, but still like having a little bit. I don't see it just vanishing. Of course, there'll be some cases here and there for a good long while, is the way that I was saying it. What I got was that the pandemic will be mostly going away in about 1.5 months or so. Of course, I'm not saying this is going to be exactly accurate, but that's what I was getting. So take it with a grain of salt. Donald Trump speculations about that. So anyways, those were my predictions for the coronavirus, and I just wanted to make sure that it was clear that I wasn't saying it was going to just vanish. In fact, later on I made another video where I was talking about how I saw it kind of starting to to go back up towards the end of October, I believe it was. I think it was the October prediction video that I made like 2 months ago or something like that. So anyways, I just thought that was interesting that I could be wrong. Maybe it won't go back. Maybe I was right that like right after I made that video, it started going down, like literally the next day, and then it kind of started to flatline. However, I did say that I thought that that was going to happen within like a month and a half, that it would just like kind of go down and it would just be like basically not like a pandemic situation anymore. And so I was a little off with that. It's been over a month and a half. It's almost, well, like maybe in like 2 weeks or so it will have been 2 months. So, you know, I'm not always exact with everything. Of course, in the video I was saying that I wasn't sure it was going to be exactly like that either. So, yeah, just thought I'd mention that. And so, yeah, the stock market, we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll try and make some more videos soon. Have a good one.